Welcome to our channel. Stick around for clear, simple tips on Fiverr impressions and clicks that actually help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Today, we're diving into Fiverr impressions. What are they? Why do they matter? And how can you get more? Let's find out. What are Fiverr impressions? Imagine you're selling lemonade at a busy market. Every time someone walks by and sees your stand, that's like an impression. On Fiverr, an impression happens when your gig appears in search results or category pages, even if no one clicks on it. It's a count of how many people have seen your gig listed. Impressions versus clicks. Now, if someone sees your lemonade stand and decides to stop and look closer, that's like a click. On Fiverr, a click means someone saw your gig and clicked to learn more. More impressions can lead to more clicks, and more clicks can lead to more orders. Why are impressions important? Impressions are important because they show how visible your gig is. If your gig has many impressions, more people are seeing it, which increases the chance of getting orders. It's like having your lemonade stand in a busy part of the market. How to increase impressions. Here are some simple ways to get more impressions. On Fiverr, use the right keywords. Think about what buyers might type when looking for services like yours. Use those words in your gig title and description. Create eye-catching gig images. Use clear and attractive images that represent your service well. A good picture can grab attention. Stay active on Fiverr. Log in regularly and respond to messages quickly. Active sellers often get more visibility. Share your gig. Promote your gig on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. The more people see it, the better. Offer competitive prices. Especially if you're new, setting reasonable prices can attract more buyers. Update your gig regularly. Refresh your gig's content to keep it relevant and appealing. Remember, getting more impressions is like having more people pass by your lemonade stand. The more who see it, the higher the chance someone will stop and buy. Keep your gig attractive, stay active, and promote it well. Success takes time, so be patient and persistent. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on succeeding with Fiverr.